Salam everyone and Ramadan Kareem.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make lassi. Lassi is a sweet yogurt-based drink that originates in South Asia.
You can have this drink at any time of the day,
as long as you're not fasting.
We're going to show you just how easy it is to make this. Okay, to start off, we're going to take 1 cup of plain yogurt. Then we're going to take 1 cup of water. After that, we're going to take 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can add more per your taste. Lastly, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then we're just going to pop the lid on and blend. After that, you're just going to add 1 cup of ice to the mixture. Then you're going to blend that all together again so everything is nice and incorporated. And there you have it, guys, an easy 5-ingredient lassi recipe. Enjoy!